Measuring and installing your Gecko Panes couldn't be easier. Both steps are simple and most homeowners can do them themselves. Start by measuring the glass pane inside the window frame. For panes under 30 centimeters, measure the width and height from the middle of each side across to the opposite side. For larger panes, measure the width a quarter of the way from the top and bottom and take the average. Do the same for the height by measuring a quarter of the way in from each side. Always measure twice to confirm your figures. Give each pane a clear name, such as bedroom 1, bottom left, and check there is at least 11mm between the glass and any window furniture. Once you have your measurements, enter them on our website to place your order. You can also fill out our downloadable spreadsheet, which helps for larger orders. Before installing, make sure the glass is clean and dry and remove the protective films from the Gecko pane. Remove the protective film from the cavity side first, the side that will face the glass. Insert the bottom of the pane into the bottom of the window frame and push down until the sponge surround meets the frame. Then, gently squeeze the top of the pane into place. Use your fingers to press the frame until it sits against the glass. If the sponge surround bulges slightly, use a table knife to push it back towards the glass to create a neat seal. If needed, you can release a small amount of air from the cavity before tidying the surround again. After that, just remove the blue protective film from the room side. Once installed, your Gecko pane will start improving insulation, reducing noise, and making your home more comfortable.